Hey guys, my name is Balazs and today we are going to show you how to take apart the Asus ZenBook UX302 LA. Now the LA version has a standard 500GB hard drive inside, an Intel Core i5 processor and 8 gigs of RAM. Now the 8 gigs we don't want to upgrade, but we will take a look inside how to upgrade the hard drive to an SSD, for example by Samsung or any other company that has one. How big does it have to be, and is it actually even possible to upgrade, or did they use some kind of special hard drive that's really small? So we'll check that all out, and as you can see I have my setup right here with the notebook, some screwdrivers, actually 99 different ones, and they weren't enough since I had to take a really small flat band screwdriver, actually flat head screwdriver. It's so small that it's really hard to see here on camera. It's about 1mm wide and it's a flat head. Even though there is a star screw here right on the bottom, since I don't have this small star screwdriver. Size 0 wasn't small enough, or actually not 0, the T8 I have here is not small enough. You need one with a really tiny head. That's why I just used something that watchmakers use, and let me just close up here to the notebook so you can see everything up close, and we'll do here the whole procedure, and I will of course once you can see the main board show you everything quite closely. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 screws. I just left the 9th one inside so you guys can see that it's really not that hard to unscrew this here with just also a flathead screwdriver. I'll also try not to scratch the screws so the service does not see that I've opened up the notebook. And so once I have done that, it should be quite easy to take off the bottom. On the front it seems also really quite bottom, you can lift it up right away, you can feel it here, but usually on the back at the hinge it's not that easy, so I like to just usually take a plastic card. I'll just try it with a slim one and just go here around the corners to see if anything is blocking here. No, it's not on this side. Let's check the other side. I have no clue how long this will take. I've seen the UX302 VD and I've not done it myself, but I had help really upgrade it, and it's really wasn't that easy because there was so many screws, but I got a lot of use for it, so I guess a lot of people will want to do this, I think, for this one also. Well, it's not that easy to really take off the bottom here right now, as you can see, since there is something holding it back here on the back. I don't know what, but probably because of the real little space where it goes a little bit down, and the hinges are on here quite strongly. But let me just really try to lift this up slowly and steadily. Don't want to break anything on the corners or anything like that. Screws are not inside anymore, so, and this is actually a brand new device. Let me just maybe try to pull it to the front. No, that's not it. Push it to the back. That's not it also. Let me just look inside maybe. There doesn't seem to be glue or anything like that, or at least not that much. Let me look like this. Okay, so let's just continue trying it here with the card. Let me zoom out a little bit so you guys can see something. So what I'm trying to do now is really take a little bit thicker plastic card and just go here all the way back and try to lift this up. There seems like there's 2 more screws just below the rubber feet. I didn't know that, so let's just see if I can take these off somehow. My fingers not right now. Let me just try it here with a little pin set, going under the rubber on the back, trying to lift it up. Exactly, 1 Phillips screw here. Not that easy on this side. I'm not a professional, as you can see. Try my best though. Also not to damage it from the outside. Let's try something different. Rubber seems to be quite soft. To be exact, it's too soft to lift up. Kind of strange, because on the other side it was really not that hard. Here we go. Okay. So we just need a Phillips screwdriver like this one. And we can continue. Zoom in again. Taking out the screws. Quite a long screw also. Other one also right here. Let's put these rubber feet also to the side. And now it should be really quite easy to lift up here the back. It really should be, but there's still the hinge going here to the screen. Which is not good. So my problem right now is, I don't know if it's visible, I can lift this up, but also this part belongs to the bottom part. I didn't know that. So let's see if something back there is still holding it back. No, I just have to really smartly somehow lift it out there. Which will not be easy, but hopefully doable. And if doable, somehow I have to put it also back. Because opening it up this far is not enough, because in the complete front there's only the battery and I can already see the hard drive and the RAM. So we are not far away, guys. Hold on. Don't worry me being so quiet, I'm just looking at the back panel how I can take it off or anything like that, but it's really not that easy. Warranty void if seal is broken or removed. So there's some stickers that are telling me that it's void, but I'm opening that up. But this till now is completely legal. At least I think in most countries. There's countries where you can't even go this far, but usually you are allowed to upgrade your hard drive or anything like that. So that shouldn't be a problem. So I'm quite annoyed that I can't take off here this back panel. Now my problem here is when I would open up the screen. So if I would open up the screen right now to just get a little bit more space, it's actually pushing down the hinge and I can't take it out at all. So my guess is I would have to take off the screen, but it's completely impossible to take off the screen and to take out here this back panel. And the back panel goes all the way to the front because there's the speakers and the fan and everything coming out right here. So I have right now no clue how to just lift it out here in the back. But I can give you right now a little glimpse inside. Don't know how much is visible, but you can see here the hard drive, in the middle the RAM. There is an SSD by SanDisk right here for the 16 gigs of fast boot memory, and also a huge battery here which we could also upgrade. And I think I will do just a part 2 where I try a little bit more to take this off, and then you can tune in there also to see how to do the SSD upgrade if I take off the cover, and I will tell you guys how I did it, because right now I have really absolutely no clue how to do it. This seems really hard, and yeah. So, see you guys later. I hope I will be able to take off this cover, and see you guys in part 2.